Hello students, this is Sudhir Kumar Jha and today we will see some more trigonometrical identities and their proofs. So we have these two problems and the first problem is prove the following identities. Number 1, sin A upon 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A upon sin A equals to 2 cosec A. So we have to prove this problem. So for proving this problem, we will take LHS equals to sin A upon 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A upon sin A, and we will solve it by taking LCM. So LCM will be 1 plus cos A into sin A, and here we will get sin square A plus 1 plus cos A whole square. Okay, so in the next step we will solve it and we will get sin square A plus this will be 1 plus 2 cos A plus cos square A, and this will be 1 plus cos A sin A. So we will rearrange this and we will get sin square A plus cos square A plus 1 plus 2 cos A. In this we have just written cos square A before 1 divided by 1 plus cos A sin A. Okay, so now we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1, and this is the fundamental trigonometrical identity. So we can use here 1. So it will be 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos A upon 1 plus cos A into sin A. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2 plus 2 cos A divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A. Okay, so when we take 2 common, then we will get 1 plus cos A, and it will be 1 plus cos A into sin A. So now 1 plus cos A will get cancelled and we will have 2 upon sin A, and we know that 1 upon sin A equals to cosec A. That's why we can write it 2 cosec A, which is equals to RHS. So it is proved. Now we will prove the second identity here, and the second identity is cos A divided by 1 minus tan A plus sin A divided by 1 minus cot A equals to sin A plus cos A. So for proving this we will take LHS, and here LHS is equals to cos A 1 minus tan A plus sin A divided by 1 minus cot A, and so we will change tan A and cot A in terms of sin and cos. So we know that tan A equals to sin A by cos A and cot A equals to cos A divided by sin A. So we will use this here. So then we will get cos A divided by 1 minus sin A upon cos A plus it will be sin A divided by 1 minus cos A upon sin A. Okay, so now we will solve this and we will get the result. So it will be cos A divided by cos A minus sin A divided by cos A plus it will be sin A divided by sin A minus cos A whole divided by sin A. So in the next step this cos A will be the numerator, and here this sin A will also be numerator. So cos A into cos A will be cos square A divided by cos A minus sin A, and here plus sin square A divided by sin A minus cos A. So now we take minus 1 from this term, and we will get, it will be same cos A minus sin A, and if we take minus 1 from here, then we will get negative sign here, and sin square A upon this will be changed cos A minus sin A, which is equals to, when we will take LCM, then LCM will be cos A minus sin A, and in the numerator we will get cos square A minus sin square A. So we know that A square minus B square, A square minus B square equals to A plus B, A minus B. So we will use this formula here, and we will get cos A plus sin A into cos A minus sin A whole when divided by cos A minus sin A. Okay, so cos A minus sin A and cos A minus sin A will get cancelled. So we have cos A plus sin A, which is equals to RHS. It is also proved. Now we will see some more problems here in this video. So here we have two more problems to solve. So in the first, we can see that here LHS equals to 10 to the power 4a plus 10 square a, and RHS is equals to sec to the power 4a minus sec square a. So for proving this, we will take LHS equals to 10 to the power 4a plus 10 square a. Here we can common 10 square a 1, and we know that 10 square a equals to sec square a minus 1, because we know that 10 square a plus 1 equals to sec square a. Sec square a, from here we can get 10 square a equals to sec square a minus 1. So we will use this formula, and we will get sec square a minus 1, and it will be sec square a. So when we multiply sec square a and sec square a, it will be sec to the power 4a, and when we multiply sec square a to 1, we will get sec square a. So it is the RHS proved. Now we will see the proof of second. So here LHS equals to cos squared a plus tan squared a minus 1 divided by sin squared a. So we know that sin squared a plus cos squared a equals to 1. So from here we can get cos squared a equals to 1 minus sin squared a. Okay, so we can write cos squared a equals to 1 minus sin squared a. So it will be 1 minus sin squared a plus tan squared a minus 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0, and here sin squared a. So it will be tan squared a upon sin squared a minus sin squared a divided by sin squared a, it will be 1. So we will write tan squared a in terms of sin a and cos a. So we know that tan a equals to sin A upon cos A. So we will use it and we will get sin square A divided by cos square A, and it will be multiplied here, and it will be sin square A. So sin square A will get cancelled, and here minus 1. So it will be 1 by cos square A minus 1. So we know that 1 by cos A equals to sec A. So it will be sec square A minus 1. And we also know that sin square A minus 1 equals to tan square A. So we can write it tan square A equals to RHS. Proved. Thank you very much.